Hello everyone. Presentation details. Date of recorded, 19th September 2024. Date of uploaded, 19th September 2024. Date of recording and date of uploading in same date, 19th September 2024. This is CS50. This is CS50P. Self-introduction. Name, Venkateswarlu Meenuga. City, Bengaluru. State, Karnataka. Country, India. Connect with me. You can find me on various social media platforms with the username CareerPath0. GitHub, CareerPath0. edX, CareerPath0. YouTube, CareerPath0. LinkedIn, CareerPath0. CS50P, Introduction to Programming with Python. Final project, The Next Shield Security. The Next Shield Security Advancing Fraud Prevention, Machine Learning Innovations in Credit Card Security. Introduction to Fraud Prevention. Fraud prevention is increasingly crucial in today's digital economy. With the rise of online transactions, credit card fraud poses significant risks. This presentation explores machine learning innovations that enhance credit card security, ensuring safer transactions and protecting consumers from financial loss. Understanding credit card fraud. Credit card fraud involves unauthorized use of a card to make purchases. Common types include card not present fraud and account takeover. Understanding these types is essential for developing effective machine learning models to combat fraud and protect consumers. Role of machine learning. Machine learning plays a pivotal role in identifying fraudulent transactions by analyzing transaction patterns. By leveraging algorithms, systems can detect anomalies in real time, improving the accuracy of fraud detection and minimizing false positives, which enhances user experience. Data sources for machine learning. Effective machine learning models rely on diverse data sources, including transaction histories, customer behavior, and external databases. Integrating these datasets allows for a comprehensive analysis, enabling systems to learn and adapt to emerging fraud patterns. Innovative algorithms. Recent advancements in algorithms, such as neural networks and decision trees, have significantly improved fraud detection capabilities. These models can process vast amounts of data, identifying subtle patterns that indicate potential fraud, thus enhancing security measures. Real-time fraud detection. Implementing real-time fraud detection systems is crucial for immediate response to suspicious activities. By employing machine learning, these systems can analyze transactions as they occur, allowing for prompt alerts and proactive measures to protect consumers. Challenges in implementation. Despite the benefits, challenges exist in implementing machine learning for fraud prevention. Issues such as data privacy, model accuracy, and the need for continuous learning must be addressed to ensure effective and ethical fraud detection solutions. Conclusion: Future of fraud prevention. The future of fraud prevention lies in continued innovation in machine learning technologies. As fraud tactics evolve, so must our defenses. Embracing these innovations will be essential for ensuring secure credit card transactions and protecting consumer trust. Thank you for your time and attention. Do you have any questions? Feel free to reach out via email or connect with me on social media. Contact information. Email careerpath0@gmail.com. Social media @careerpath0. All my social media profiles, including GitHub, edX, LinkedIn, and YouTube, are under the same username, careerpath0. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the next Shield Security Advancing Fraud Prevention, Machine Learning Innovations in Credit Card Security. This was CS50P. This was CS50.